The nature of sales management, part 3. Sales management responsibilities. One of the most important responsibilities of a sales manager is to staff the organization with the right people. Well-selected people can minimize managerial problems. Even poor plans will succeed with good salespeople, while the best of plans will fail with poor salespeople. As the quality of the salespeople improves, sales managers are more involved with providing support and resources rather than one-to-one coaching. They spend time coordinating with other departments so that salespeople can spend more time with customers. Sales managers are required to manage multiple sales channels, including telemarketing and electronic marketing. The sales manager is first and foremost a manager and administrator, and management is a distinct skill. One of the ironies of Salesforce management is that sales managers were usually promoted into the executive ranks because of their talent as salespeople. Once promoted, their performance depended on their administrative skills, which were generally not developed as they worked as salespersons. It is therefore important that when a salesperson is to be promoted to the job of sales manager, the necessary training and inputs should be given so that the person concerned acquires the necessary knowledge required for the job. The entry level of sales manager position in a selling firm with a large sales team is generally a sales supervisor. The sales supervisor provides day-to-day supervision, advice, and training to salespersons within a small geographical area. Typically, the next higher position is that of a district sales manager responsible for the district, such as Pune, Nagpur, Ahmedabad, etc. The next higher position may have executives who are responsible for an entire region, such as Western region, Northern region, Eastern region, etc. The highest level in sales management typically carries the title like General Manager or Vice President Sales. This person oversees the entire selling function across all regions for all divisions of the company. Salesforce management in the 21st century is far more complex than it used to be. Collaboration and consensus building are essential skills for the manager in the next millennium. Sales managers are required to manage complex channels of distribution, oversee a hybrid sales force which includes salespersons, telesellers, and electronic sellers. As the technology component of selling, including electronic communication systems, computer-based technologies, and telecom processes are used, sales managers have to be more technologically proficient. This does not change the fact that face-to-face contact remains the most effective style of getting results, either by way of selling or supervising and motivating the sales force.